Minister Lokesh, you have been leading this from the front. In fact, just to share with the audience, I think it all started when, little more than a year back, you visited Google's headquarters in California, and then that was followed by, we had a meeting in Visakhapatnam probably a month after that. What's your vision now that we have announced the AI Hub? How do we take this and translate that into real impact for the people?
Adarakotte karam rangu ruchi Aachi karam pudi.
No, I think it's deja vu. We are 1 month late, as the Honorable Chief Minister said. We agreed on completing this in 12 months.
That's right.
So it's going to go in my record that I'm a month late in completing this project. Because I think it all started over a lunch.
Yes.
And, I think it's been an exciting journey. A lot of unsung heroes. Vikas is here, Yolan is here, Alex is here, Ashish are here. A lot of work has gone in, and all of us have worked hard, and your team has been fantastic to work with. Under the visionary leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Chief Minister, and under the direction of the Honorable Finance Minister, Madam Sitharaman ji, and then of course under the guidance, I always call him my big brother, Ashwini ji has been an amazing guidance for me in terms of landing this project. You know, what you see is India at its best. It shows that state and the central government together can lead it from the front. You know, data is the new oil, and data centers are the new refineries. At this juncture, I believe it's not about Andhra Pradesh playing an important role in India, but India playing an important role on the global landscape. And this is what excites us, and this is why, you know, the entire leadership is aligned in terms of executing this project at this scale. And as the HRD minister, now I think all the senior ministers have given me clear guidance that we have to skill up, and we have to embrace AI. We have to look at revamping our curriculum, getting our youngsters ready for the next wave of opportunities. India has been the beneficiary of the IT education in the past. We have seen the Y2K revolution transform cities like Hyderabad and Bangalore. And now we're going to see that AI revolution transforming the next wave of cities, if I may. And that's where education plays a very, very important role. And the Honorable Chief Minister has always understood it. That's why education and IT is under one minister. And the idea is to marry these two and ensure that these result in tangible outcomes in the field level. The other part in the state of Andhra Pradesh is we have something called the real-time governance. This is where AI use cases are being executed, implemented for farmers, for daily wage seekers. How can we fundamentally transform their lives? How can we improve the quality of their life? How can we improve their income levels? So as the Honorable Chief Minister just stated, one family, one entrepreneur. And this is something we take to our heart. And if you know Andhra Pradesh, once we do take it, we will implement on it. So these are the kind of transformative changes that we can implement in Andhra Pradesh, and I'm sure these use cases can be used for India and the world.
Adarakotte karam rangu ruchi Aachi karam pudi.
But I'll definitely lean on to Google to help us chart this journey. It's very important for you to also give us input. And that will enable us to get our youngsters ready for the next revolution that is at its cusp. And technology is here. And if you look at it as a state, Andhra Pradesh has always embraced the use of technology from day one. Under the Chief Minister's leadership, we've always been ahead of the curve. And I believe we're doing it all over again. So I'm really excited about this journey, and I'm sure what we've achieved in 13 months, next time around we'll do it in 12 months. And this is a historical moment, not only for Andhra and Google, but I think it's a historical moment for Bharat. It's not just about a data center, it's about the kind of services, the kind of economic empowerment we can do at the grassroots level. So we're really excited as Andhra Pradesh to lead it from the front, and I look forward to working together. Thank you.